Hey everyone, welcome to another Vagaro tutorial. In this video, we will be going over how to add personal tasks on the Vagaro Pro app. Now let's get started. Here we are on the daily calendar view on the Vagaro Pro app. If your display is different, click on the calendar tab at the bottom left of the screen, then select the daily view on the top right. Now select the date you want to add your personal task at the top middle of the screen. Once you have selected the date, pick the time you want to add your personal task. Check the top of the pop-up window to confirm your date and time. Now tap where it says Personal Task. We begin by selecting the type of personal task you need. Select one that fits your situation. If you need to change your date, we can tap where it says Date. Here we can choose a new date if we need to. After that, we can select Time Off. Here you get to pick how much time you need off. If you need the entire day off, tap the button where it says Entire Day Off. Once selected, your personal task will fill the entire day. This is great if you do need more time for your personal task. After you choose your time, tap Submit at the top right. Tap where it says Repeat. You get 3 choices to pick from. Daily repeat means the personal task will be every day. Weekly repeat lets you choose which day of the week to repeat the personal task. And the monthly option will let you repeat the task once a month on the date of your choice. Once you have picked, hit Save. Moving on to Block Online Booking, this option allows people to book online during your personal task. This is great if you don't mind stopping your personal task to get a service done. If not, leave it checked on to guarantee that your personal task goes uninterrupted. Finally, you can leave any comments below to give further detail if you want. Once you're all done, tap Book. Your personal task will be on your calendar. Once it's there, you're all set. This video has been all about adding personal tasks on the Vagaro Pro app. If this video was helpful, be sure to like and comment below. Also, subscribe to the channel to pick up more tips and tricks about the software. Check out the description to follow our social media channels or to start your free trial of Vagaro today.